Hello and welcome back to Ben and 10. Today I have a full body Pilates workout for you, which is perfect if you want to work every part of the body. So we're going to start straight away. Coming onto the mat, onto all fours, we're breathing in and out through the nose today. And you're going to slide that right leg back, cross it behind the left, and then extend your right arm up, opening out that chest, and for 20 seconds holding and breathing into this stretch. This routine is going to get progressively harder, so we're going to build it up. Eyes towards the ceiling. And then we're going to grab a kind of blanket or some kind of cover and pull it over our head like this. So imagining we've got a bit of a weight as we gently come in to all fours. And then tucking the head and curling back. And through into a wave. So it's like a moving child's pose, that one. And we'll do that a lot in this routine. Now we're going to do it on the other side. I'm just going to swivel around so you can see, crossing the left behind the right, but you can just kind of turn around. You should feel nice and open in your chest. Coming over, back down into all fours, rounding the back into that cat pose and coming through into the cow pose, but also called, in a fluid motion, the wave. We're going to do it 2 more times on either side. I'm just swiveling so I'm facing the camera, but you can just obviously go to the other side. Waving ourselves back once more. Let's make it a big wave, a wave that surfers can ride easily. And then one more time on the other side. And then coming through back into all fours for our final wave of this section. Slide that right leg out, but this time we're going to do something different. We're going to raise it and pulse for 8. Now start to engage those glutes and hips, because then we're going to take it out to the side in a we like a dog pose for 8. Because you're literally doing that exact movement. And that leg's going to curl around all the way over to the other side. And your head's going to follow into an attitude type of pose. And then you're going to bring that leg under you and curl around into the wave, of course, on the other side. Out we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take it up. This time to the other side on the doggy pose. If your hips feel stiff, that's okay. This is going to Be great for them. And then into an attitude pose, following your feet with your head. It's a nice stretch in the back as well. Coming round under into the wave. Two more times on either side, of course. Out we go. And weeing like a dog. And give it some attitude now. Pulling it under and beneath. And waving ourselves forward with the other side. And wave. Now we're going on to part 3. If you're feeling that that was more of a challenge in itself, that's fine. Stay on part 2. If you really feel you could do with more, then we're going to raise the stakes. It's time to come up to downward dog, everyone. Find your downward dog. Exhale up to your downward dog. When you're ready, you're going to inhale, and you guessed it, we're going to pulse this time in downward dog. Get these arms involved. They're not big, they're just pulses. And then we're going to go into we like a dog pose straight away. And all the way around to attitude. Back down to all fours. Really big wave. And it's time for the other side. So this is just taking it that level up. How much attitude can you give this one? Give it a bit of sass. And through. Ooh, my t-shirt is coming over my head. 2 more times then to complete the set of exercises. So let's make them good ones. Push back in the heels with the downward dog. Try and get your chest towards your thighs and then extend. Little pulses, keep them coming. Now let's have a proper right angle here, as much as you can. And round to attitude. Come on, we got this. One final bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My arms are shaking. And give it one last wave. And now we can experiment with just being away for all this time. Let's be a washing machine and go rolling ourselves to the side. It's the same movement as a wave, just side to side. We're going to be a washing machine for a bit. And that is the end of this set of exercises. You should feel this works into the arms, the hips, the glutes, the legs, all over really. Opened up the chest. And with that, the song of the day today is Cold Blue Rain. Yes, Cold Blue Rain by Melky Chance. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would be wonderful. And let me know if there's anything you want me to do in the future that you really need. And I'll be happy to do that for you. Thank you.